What's going on, it's Suck and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new 13-inch iPad Air. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my new videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to quickly mention the pricing for the 13-inch iPad Air. So over here in the United Kingdom, it starts off at £799, and conversely it's around the same in dollars if you're in the United States. Now that will get you an iPad Air with 128GB of storage, although you can purchase a 1TB model which will set you back £1,299, or conversely dollars if you are once again in the United States. It's available in 4 different colors, from space grey, blue, purple and starlight. And in today's video I'll be unboxing the starlight coloured iPad Air. Well, that's enough talking about the pricing. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with the iPad Air here in the UK. So in typical Apple fashion, we have 2 pull tabs on the rear. Now pulling away at these tabs and lifting the lid reveals the iPad Air sat atop. And placing this to a side, we get our first look at what other items come included with this brand new iPad Air. So the first item which we see is our Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. Now within this, you'll find a number of different pieces of paperwork in a range of different languages. The first of these is our quick start guide, which gives us a general overview of the layout of the buttons and the port at the bottom of this iPad. It also shows us some of the gestures which will be needed to use this iPad Air. And of course you get your health and safety, regulatory and warranty information, which once again comes in a range of different languages. The last item included with the iPad Air is our braided USB-C to USB-C cable, which has an approximate length of 1 meter. And then we have the iPad Air itself. So that'll be it for today's video. Of course, if you are new around here, then be sure to smack that subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my new videos go live. If you've got any questions with anything you've seen in today's video, then be sure to leave them down below in this video's comment section, or alternatively you should hit me up on my social media. I'll leave that link down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.